Hello everyone. Today I would like to introduce you how to use ChatbotLLM service provider through the WebView app. So you can go to chatbot.vipresearch.ca/app. Once you get there, you can click Start Chat. And usually if you haven't choose any subject yet, you can choose that accordingly. So in this video I'm going to use FST 2025, and there will be a model that I can choose, and the English language I want to use. Now I can ask any question regarding Faculty of Science and Technology. So I would like to ask my first question: what master programs Faculty of Science and Technology offer? I can click the send button. I can also talk. So that is the first question I'm going to ask, and see what the result I will have.
The Faculty of Science and Technology offers the following master programs. Master of Science, Computing and Information Systems. Master of Science, Earth System Science.
So the bot will talk. In any case, if you don't want to hear from it, you can just mute it. So let me mute it so I can ask the second question. When is the application deadline? Actually, I have some typo here, but I don't care. So let's just see what will happen and send it out. So the application deadline for the Master of Science and Computing Information System actually is March 1st for fall semester, October 1st for winter semester. Let me first ask another question, something like what route Master of Science on Computing and Information Systems has for me to choose. So the Master of Science in Computing offers routes through AC integrated project and integration thesis. That's good. And in that case, so does Faculty of Science and Technology offer courses on mobile? Oh yes, the Faculty of Science and Technology offers courses on mobile computing. Okay, maybe is there any courses related to security that I can take? Okay, you can take the following course: COM 400, COM 614, COM 637. Okay, all right, that's good. Thank you so much. So that is the WebView Client App that everyone can use to access ChatbotLLM. So how the ChatbotLLM is trained? So basically, what I did is very simple. I go to fst.athabascau.ca, and you can see there is some programs, courses, and so on. So in that case, I can click any of the links, so you can see there are some programs, and also we can also take a look at the School of Computing, RISC. So if I go to any of the web page, I can also see some information, and we have programs and courses. If we click any of the programs, like a bachelor program, you can also see this link. It has like the the program deadline requirements and other things. So what I did is very simple. I simply choose to put everything as a Word document like this one. So I put all the links here, and then I upload this file to the ChatbotLLM VIP research.ca. So in that case, I can do very quickly something like this. So I can choose my course materials. I can upload that links and upload, done. So that is simple as you can imagine. Hope it helps, and we will talk about other research in other videos. Thank you so much for watching.